Hello lovely people, you're welcome to my kitchen. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Today I'm going to share some pumpkin vegan salad with you. You will love it. And so we are going to prepare our salad with some cabbage and pumpkins. Yes, I've already peeled them nicely, and some spring onions. Also, you're going to add 2 bell pepper, green bell pepper, and also carrots. We're going to add some cucumbers to it, garden peas, and also some sweet corn. We are also going to add some baked beans. Oh yes, and my homemade Jago mayonnaise. Check the description box. I also have my vinegar to wash the vegetables. I'm going to add some eggs to it, and also black and white pepper is optional. I'm going to use some sauce solution to give it a taste, and I'm also going to add some lettuce, and then I will add my homemade tomato ketchup to it. So we are going to wash our pumpkins and then chop them into smaller pieces, very small. Yes, chopping them into that smaller pieces that we want. Okay, so we are done, and we are going to boil it. We are going to cook it for it to be tender. You know, pumpkin doesn't take long to boil, so you add a little bit of salt also to it to give it a taste. And so we are going to work on our cabbage. While our pumpkin is on fire, you have to be checking on it because it doesn't take long for it to cook. It cooks very fast. Okay, so we are working on our cabbage now. Yes, so we are done with the cabbage, and we are going to work on the rest of the vegetables also. I'm adding some salt solution to give it a taste, and I'm working on the green bell pepper also. Yes, what I do is I take the hard part from it. I don't add it to my salad. Then I'll be slicing them into the shape or sizes that I want. Okay, so we are done with the green bell pepper also. Okay, so we are going to check on our pumpkin. It's already cooked. As I said, it doesn't take long at all. Now we are working on our spring onions. Just slice them or chop them into the size you want. Okay, we are done with that one also. Okay, and we are going to grate our carrots. So we are grating. Just have to take your time. Okay, we are done with it. Then we are going to work on the cucumber also. Okay, so we are done with the cucumber, and I'm sprinkling some sauce solution on it just for taste and trying to get the excess water out. So I will just turn it from this strainer into a different strainer, which is a bit, the holes are bigger than the first one, just to get the excess water out. So I'm adding vinegar to water to work on my lettuce. Yes, so I'm just splitting them into pieces, and I'm not adding the hard part to it. Okay, so I'm done with that one, and I've drained the water, and I've turned the leaves or the vegetables into my salad bowls. I'm adding my carrots also to it, so I'm stirring everything together. Yes, and I'm adding a bit of sweet corn. Yes, you will love this. Just give it a try and you will not regret. Okay, and so at this time I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper and white pepper on it and give it a stir. I'm adding my pumpkin to it. pumpkin has a very nice taste and very nutritious. You will love it. And so I'm stirring everything. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing and share the video. I'm also adding my homemade Jago mayonnaise to it. Check the description box for a link, and I'm garnishing it or adding my lettuce to it. I'm adding my garden peas, also a bit of it to it, and then I'm going to top it with my baked beans. Yes, so colorful, beautiful. Adding the rest of the sweet corn to it. Then I'm going to add my eggs, some garnishing here and there. Okay, so this is simple. You can give it a try, and it's so nice with a pumpkin in there. You are going to love it. Okay, and so I'm adding my mayonnaise to it. Yes, and some homemade tomato ketchup to give it that beautiful color. I hope you can see. Yes, so colorful, beautiful. You can see all the Ghana colors in there. So I'm going to serve myself a bit of it and enjoy it. I love this a lot. This is a whole meal. When you take this with some juice or water alone, you'll be okay for the day. Yes, I love mayonnaise, especially when it was done by me. So this is my vegan salad, pumpkin vegan salad. Give it a try, subscribe and share. Bye bye.